everyone, I am Swapnil Devrukar.
Hello everyone, I am Rohit Mathur.
I am S.G. Parekh.
Myself Dhaval Kumar Sojitra.
Hello everyone, my name is Agniva Das.
Had conducted a webinar on R, which was delivered by Mr. Hiren Kakkar, CEO and co-founder of StatModeler.
Actually, I attended 3-4 online workshops organized by StatModeler like SPSS, Software of Data Analysis, Advanced Excel, designing survey form on Google platform, Six Sigma approach, etc. So I want to highlight some of the unique characteristics I have observed while learning from this group.
First thing that I like the most is the material. The way Hiren sir has prepared the PowerPoint presentation and the files for practical exercise in Minitab software and all the Excel files.
And I must say he is an excellent trainer. And the material which he gives is what I like the most, because it has solved most of the problems which he has given in the R, and it is very helpful for future as well.
Actually, I don't have any background of R programming, but the way I learned this program with StatModeler, it was very interactive and it was very perfect webinar for the beginners who don't have the background of any programming language. So it was a very wonderful journey, and I hope I can have some more programs with StatModeler to enhance my knowledge of the statistical tools.
His concept was very clear and students are very impressed.
And I'm happy to say that it is one of the best institutions in Gujarat at this moment in terms of holistic teaching, in terms of syllabus coverage, in terms of course structure, and in terms of very experienced teachers. And I'd like to say all the best to the entire team of StatModeler. Go all the way.
The way Mr. Hiren teaches is really superb. Being a teacher, I must appreciate his explanation ability, as he really makes the subject simple, easy to understand with live examples and practical approaches.
Many people say that they can learn from EDX, Udemy, other websites, but what I feel is the personal touch which he gives during teaching, that we can also always ask him on all our doubts on the WhatsApp, and he replies within like half an hour, 1 hour maximum. So this is what I like the most. So all the best everyone, and all the best.
Data analysis is an immense part of our life. It may be research, it may be problem solving, or it may be process improvement. Data is collected in a huge quantity, but the major challenges which are faced by researcher, problem solver, or this process improvement personnel is which are the techniques to be used and how it can be used, so that they can convert their data into decision making. So StatModeler come up with the idea that how can we overcome these challenges. In my career, I have seen so many companies who are collecting large number of data. They are having dedicated department for the data collection and data entry purpose. But when we go into the detail, at that time we found they are not using the data at all in their decision making. Then what is the purpose behind that data collection? So that is what they are wasting their time, money and energy. To overcome these challenges, StatModeler come up with services in the 4 domains. The first, where we are providing training and consultancy related to the data science subjects like R, Python, SPSS, Minitab, Power BI, Tableau, Excel, Advanced Excel and many more. The second is where we are providing training and consultancy for the business transformation, where we use a custom approach of all these operational excellence concepts like 5S, Kaizen, Lean, Six Sigma, TPM, TQM, SPC and SQC and many more. So we basically, as per the client need, we customize this approach and then make a roadmap for the business transformation. The third domain where we are sharing our expertise for the research project. It may be government research project, it may be individual project, or it may be university sponsored or UGC sponsored project. It may be survey analysis. It may be marketing research project. So in that also they are collecting a huge amount of data and they are struggling with what are the tools and techniques to be used so that they can use this data for the decision making. So in that also we are helping them. In the fourth domain, where we are collaborating with the universities and the colleges and conducting certification courses, training programs and workshops for the students and faculties. So these are the 4 domains where we are working.